help but to wonder, is this even real? That one I'm missing things, so still wide awake. I only come out at night, but we're still looking for signs. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real?
Okay, so first I'm going to start out with my Nip and Fab No Needle Serum on my smile lines, my forehead, and all of that to make sure my foundation doesn't crease in those areas. Next, I'm going to go in with my OC Atmosphere Protection Cream. I did wake up this morning to snow, so my skin was very dry. I'm just trying to keep it moisturized. Next, I'm going to go in with my toner, which is from Lush. It's the Breath of Fresh Air Toner, and then I'm just going to spray some rose water Mario Badescu spray on my face. Since my face was a little wet from all the sprays, I'm just taking my powder brush with no leftover product on it just to pat down that area. And I'm going to be using the Dare to Create palette today. I'm going in with a very fluffy brush from makeupshack. It is the T59 brush, and I am taking the colors Define Me, Sunder, and Canvas all over my crease and just blending that out. Next, I'm going to be taking the makeupshack T64 brush, and I'm just taking the colors Evolve, Mask, and Cut Crease, and I'm basically just placing that right underneath those transition shades and blending those out. So now I'm just going back in with my fluffy T59 makeupshack brush, and I'm taking the color Vivid from the palette, and I'm just using that to warm up the crease. And now I'm just going to go back in with another fluffy brush. This is the T46 makeupshack brush, and I'm taking the color Expression just so I can pack on a deeper brown shade in the outer corner of my crease. Now I'm just going in with this Tarte Chrome paint. It's in the color Top Yacht. And I'm just placing that all over the lid with my finger. Next, just to clean up that color because it's kind of hard to place with my finger, I'm just taking another makeupshack T73 brush and just blending that out before I go in with the black. So now I'm going to take the Morphe M562, and I'm going to take the black color in the palette, which is Muse, and I'm going to start packing that in slowly in the outer corner of the crease just to darken it. The eyes are almost done. I'm going to start curling my lashes, and I just quickly want to mention this brand called Vegan Cuts that I've been getting a lot of vegan makeup from. They have like subscription boxes, and just like the OC cream, I'm going to be using the Ben Bijuva Minerals mascara, all cruelty-free and vegan. I'll leave it linked down in the bottom bar below. So now I'm going to start putting glue on my Bombshell Bling lashes. They're my favorite. And as the glue dries, I'm just going to take some of this Tarte oil and just massage that into my skin because, as I said, my skin was very dry today. And for the Bombshell lashes, you can also use my code on their website for 10% off. It is Juliemua X10. Next, I'm going to be going in with my two favorite foundations. I'm mixing them together. It's the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. I'm in the color Y325. And for the Estee Lauder foundation, I am in the color Ivory Beige. Now I'm just going to be going in with my favorite cosmetic sponge. This one is from Morphe. It is their complexion sponge. Next, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm in the shade Light Medium Honey, and I'm just taking this down under my eyes and in the center of my face. Next, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just putting that everywhere that I put that concealer. I actually did end up going with that powder all over my face because next I'm going to be going in with a powder compact, and this is from Milani. It is in the shade Tan, and I just put the translucent powder all over my face first to avoid any patchiness. After all the powders, my face tends to look very dry, so I'm just taking this Morphe setting spray and I'm just using this all over my face. Now finishing up the eyes, I'm doing the lower lash line with the T64 Makeup Shack brush with the colors Mass and Cut Crease. And then I'm taking that little Morphe blending brush with the black and putting that under the eyes and just again blending out some of the transition shades. I used Define Me and Sunder under the eyes. Finishing up this eye look, I'm just going in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. It's in the color black. I'm just putting that in my lower lash line. Before I start with any of my contouring and bronzing, I like to start my highlighting, and I'm going to be taking the Carly Bible palette. I haven't used this in such a long time, and I'm just taking that gold color with the Makeup Shack T19 brush. Of course, I can't have enough highlights, so I'm just going back in with the Ofra Everglow highlighter with the gold shade on my cheeks. Then I'm taking this Makeup Shack T65 brush, and I'm taking that white color on the inner corners of my eyes just to brighten them. I love this trick. And then I'm also taking that on my brow bones. And then I will be taking that gold color on the bridge of my nose and tip of my nose. Next, I'm just starting to bronze with the color Medium Tan. It's a Milani Face Compact, and I did self-tan, so my face was a little lighter, so I was just trying to bronze that up. I'm just using a Morphe fluffy brush. I'm not sure if this has a name, I just got it in their vegan brush set. Next, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Shack T20 brush. It is perfect for contouring, as well as the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. And I'm just taking Princess Cut, Angle, and a little bit of Carrot into the hollows of my cheeks. Next, I am taking a blush brush. It's from AOA Studios. And I'm just going to be taking the Anastasia Blush Trio and Pink Passion, and I'm taking all three of the colors and just blending that with my contour and my bronzer. So I'm pretty sure it cut off me lining my lips, but I just used the Laura Geller lip liner in Spice. And now I'm just taking an oldie but a goodie, but it is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Lolita. I love this color so much. And I did finish off this look with some Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, but I think that cut out too. But yeah, this is the final look. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check the bottom bar for all my social media links down below. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much.